right, and it's circle time. Go ahead and stand. Right hand on our heart, eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes first time, we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. You know. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we'll reach our dreams. All right, taking a look at the month. It is the 21st day of the month. Right here. Tomorrow is the 22nd. And Sunday is the 23rd. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. Here we go. Sing it with me.
This is Ding Dong.
Yeah, baby.
I won my T-ball game.
Good job. Here we go. Days of the week.
Days of the week. Days of the week.
Days of the week. Oh, Sunday and there's Monday.
This is Monday. The Friday and the Friday.
Saturday. Days of the week. Clap, clap.
Days of the week.
Snap, snap.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Sunday and
Monday.
Days of the week.
Days of the week.
Snap, snap.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
And today is Friday, May 21st, 2021. Let's figure out our pattern. We're going to start right here. Then we need 3 of everything. Let's say it together. 1 kite, 2 kites, 3 kites. 1 sun, 2 suns, 3 suns. We have 3 everything. We're done with suns. Now we're on to kites. 1 kite, 2 kites, 3 kites. Now we're on to suns. 1 sun, 2 suns, 3 suns. We need another sun. All right. Now it's going to go here for tomorrow. A kite, because I already have 3 suns. Good job. So here's 1 kite. What goes here? Kite. I wonder what's going to go on our Monday. Why a kite? Why do you think it's going to be a kite? Not cause. 3 of everything. Kiss that brain, you are so smart. Oh, my kid's ready for kindergarten. My baby's birthday isn't anymore. Today we said it was going to be sunny, and it is. It's a beautiful day for a fun Friday.
Fun Friday. What does that mean?
We get to go outside.
Yay! What kind of weather are you going to have tomorrow for your
Sunny!
Our weekend is going to be sunny. That sounds good
Oh,
to me.
weekend!
Yay! Which means we don't get to see you for 2 days. Oh.
It's getting to summer.
It is getting closer to summer. Summer, the first is June 30th, June 20th. Somewhere in there, right?
When it's summer, we can have our spring break.
When it's summer, you have your summer break. Yes. And when you come back to school, you'll be in kindergarten. You won't have Mrs. Helm missing anymore. You're going to be in kindergarten. But we'll see you in the hallway.
But Aries will be in here.
Right. Because he's a little younger. All right, let's say our alphabet. Here we go.
A, B, C, D, E, F,
Let me
G,
hear everybody.
A, I, J, K, L, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
Oh, I like that. Let's do that with counting. Let's start really, really loud. And then when I start doing this, you go a little quieter until we're finally whispering at 20. Are you ready? Starting with big voices.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
A little quieter. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good. All right. Let's whisper and then get loud. Ready? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
2, 1, 0.
All right, looking for some color. Looking at some shapes. What shape is this, everybody?
Octagon.
Everybody, what shape?
Rectangle.
Everybody, what shape?
Heart.
Everybody, what color?
Blue.
Everybody, what color?
Black.
Everybody, what color?
Purple.
All right, looking at some numbers. Let me hear everybody's voice. Ready? What number is this one?
5.
What number is this one?
10.
How about this one right here?
3.
Can't see the numbers if you're not facing forward. What number is this?
14.
14. All right, let's try this one right here.
8.
8. And let's try another easy one.
2.
And a hard one. 17. Very nice. Moving on. Whoops. A little too fast. Our nursery rhyme this week is this old man. This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my tongue with a knick-knack. Paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
All right, all of these, look at all these letters that we have learned already. Should we ask what a couple of them are? All right, ready? What is this one? What is this one? How about this one? How about this one? H. You guys are super smart. And now we're working on N. What does N say? Like Nemo. And Noodle. All right. What's next? Where do you start your letters? At the top. Where do we start them?
At the top.
Where? Alright, your mats are coming. Take your pieces out and put your blue mat down.
I don't have my mat. Not me. I don't have my board. Where's my board? There's my board.
Remember, you have to have your blue side. You're making the letter N on your own.
I didn't look and see how your board. I did not have it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my God.
No, it's the middle.
It's
It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach up. I like how you're reaching up.
Way up. This is up. This is up. Reach down. This is up. Reach down. Way down. At the bottom. This is the bottom.
Reach down and touch the bottom.
Right there.
Shake it in the middle. Shake it in the middle.
is at the top. If you want to start like a rainy day, remember to start at the top. And I'm jumping right to the star. If I fall, then I have it.
All right, my friends, here we go.
We do it on our own.
It is Friday. We've been working on the letter N the whole week, which means you get to build it all by yourselves. So let's go ahead and build the letter N.
It doesn't go on top of it.
That's right. Does not go over the top of Mr. Matt's smiling face. I want to be able to see his face.
I don't see him
That's because we've got.
on the blue mat.
All right. I'm looking. I've got some friends who are doing a great job. I see your ends on your paper. Keep trying. Not quite, bud. Nope. On the blue side.
Let me know if they're ready. I got a stamp right here.
All right.
Smells like licorice. What do you think? I mean, it smells good and not all at the same time.
All right, my friends. We made the letter N. One more time is big line down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Big line up. We made the letter N. That's all for today. Have a great weekend.